'Tis the season for celebrating all things Irish, as yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. One local dance group, they've been dancing all over the Kentucky community. Bluegrass Ceili Academy is a community-based Irish dance school in Lexington. It's part of the Arts Outreach program, and for the past month, members have traveled from event to event, sharing their love of Irish dance to all those in attendance. The troupe ranges in ability and age, and their adult four-person group brought home the 2023 national title last year.
March and St. Patrick's Day is the time of the year that everybody's a little bit Irish, right? But we actually take that and we pull it into our philosophy throughout the entire year. You don't have to be Irish to do Irish dancing. You have to really just enjoy being up and moving and having fun.
You don't have to be.
That looks like a lot of fun and good exercise, too. The Bluegrass Irish Society was founded as an Irish educational organization in 1980, and it didn't take long for the traditional Irish dance to surge in the bluegrass. This Kentucky group only has one goal: to continue to spread the love of Irish dancing to Kentuckians.